In this video, I'll show you how to install the GTA San Andreas Fixer Pack for Steam version to fix bugs, crashes, and common issues. Check my video description for this mod link. Once download done, right click on the mod and select vendor and select open with vendor. Close stuff here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before installing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the install folder. Drag and drop these files inside of a game folder. Now right click on this install.bat and select run as administrator and select run and select yes option. Once this done, go back and open this paste folder. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And now you can launch the game through this exe. The game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.